lower level riser pipework in the 51-storey tower in the heart of London's financial district required high-pressure isolation valves, capable of a positive shut-off against a 40-bar differential pressure, while supporting the vertical riser pipework without compromising the valve sealing integrity. The contractor was under pressure to finish the riser structure in a short time frame. Suppliers were quoting 18 weeks lead time, which would have caused significant delays. FloControl supplied over 130 high-performance butterfly valves, ranging from 65 to 450 mm in diameter, a perfect solution for the application. They supplied this within approximately 8 weeks, meeting the contractor's deadline. The wafer design with a double offset disc on the smaller sizes and triple offset on the larger valves ensured positive shutoff, zero seat wear, and a compact design. The isolation valves up to 100 mm in diameter were supplied with the lever operators. Valves with a 150 mm diameter and larger were supplied with gear operators to ensure safe and reliable operation. The same exacting requirements applied to the double regulating and commissioning valves. FloControl converted some of the standard high-performance butterfly valves to double regulating valves using a specially designed memory stop on the gear operator to provide fine control, self-locking to overcome dynamic closure and the double regulating function. By adding a 40-bar orifice plate, FloControl could also offer a lightweight, space-saving commissioning valve. Matt Roberts, the project manager from Michael J. Lonsdale, says, FloControl were amongst the only suppliers who could deliver the larger PN40 rated equipment. They provided us with a great deal of support during the ongoing build sequence and assisted with resolving a number of installation challenges along the way.